Letona le ikarabelang ditabeng tsa matlotlo naheng ya Amerika Janet Yellen o ka rana Afrika Borwa.
The United States is ready to work with Africa as an equal partner, defined not by what we can do for each other, but rather what we can do with each other.
Kajeno o ne a tsepamisitse maikutlo a hae tabeng tse amanang le ho fehlwa ha matla a motlakase.
The issue of the Just Energy Transition Partnership did come up in the Secretary's multiple conversations. She and President Ramaphosa discussed it at length. She also discussed it at length with Minister Montashe.
Ho se sebediswe haholo ha mashala ho ka nna ha baka tlhoko ya mosebetsi.
People in the coal mining industry understood that we still play a very major role in the economy, especially if you look at what happened between Ukraine and Russia, and that put European businesses in a very, or European countries in a very interesting conundrum in terms of their energy needs. If you look at Germany, 140,000 megawatts wind and solar, but without gas, they don't really mean much. The same applies to UK. The whole system, whole concept was built on let's do renewables, and then we will actually it will be complementary to the base load that's generated from gas. But when you don't have the gas, then it's a problem. So our gas is in South Africa, it's coal.
Hosane o tla etela morafo wa mashala Mpumalanga. Sophie Mukwena, SABC News, Johannesburg.